L's Holy Quran by Malachi Z. York. Chapter 63, 20. And this goes out for Nature Boy, Polight, and Prince York. I've been quiet for so long. Now all the propaganda must stop. Bring your facts. They were lying. Were they given a scripture before the Quran? They said they were led into calmness on their father's footsteps. The affluent ones of the villages said they will follow upon their forefathers' footsteps. The Anunnaki took vengeance upon them. Abraham told the Babylonians he was innocent for that which they slaved for. He, Abraham, left it as an enduring word for those who are after him. And they said, if the yielder pleases, we Adamites would not have slaved for the Anunnaki. They did not have any knowledge of except that they, the disagreeable Anunnaki, were lying. Or have we not he, agreeable Anunnaki, Elohim, given them a scripture? Enuma Elish, Atrahasis, Gilgamesh epics, Etana, Nergal, and Ashkurgil, the descent of the Ishtar to the underworld, the secrets of Adafa, before it, the Quran, so that they could hold fast onto it. In fact, they said, we found our fathers doing the same thing as the nations, and surely we are lead into calmness upon their footsteps. And just like that, we not he, didn't send before you Muhammad, a warner, in any village except their affluent ones said, surely we found our fathers doing this, bringing us a scripture and the way of life as this nation, and surely we will follow upon their footsteps. He said, what? Even if I come to you all with the leading calmness of that which you found your fathers doing? They said, surely we are concealors of the facts of that which was sent to us. So we not he, took vengeance amongst them. So look at how was the end of the liars. And when Abraham said to his fathers, Tariq, Azar, and his kindred, the Chaldean Babylonians, surely I am innocent of that which you slave for, except for he who splitted me, spit my genes. So surely he not we, will lead me into calmness. And he left it as an enduring word amongst those who are after him, and perhaps they will return.